y'all, we're here at Windscape in Athens, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as a swimming pool, playground, fitness center, and so much more. Today we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. When you enter, there's a large living space with a half bathroom perfect for guests, a coat closet, a pantry, and a laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. That leads right into the fully equipped kitchen. This open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Outside, you'll find a covered patio. Back inside, you'll find 2 bedrooms located upstairs. Each bedroom has 2 spacious closets. A full bathroom is conveniently placed between the 2 bedrooms. Outside, you'll find a pool and a playground. This community also has a fitness center. Click the link below to book your tour.